Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make your own guitar capo if you don't have a real one. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this video. Now I have a guitar capo or capo over here. I usually call it a capo, but I figured I'll call it a capo for this video because I know a lot of people use the term capo and say capo instead of capo. But really, I don't know what the real pronunciation is, but I'm just going to say capo for this video for the most part. But I have a real one over here. You place it in on the strings, it holds them down. It raises the pitch and tonality of the guitar with a very, very simple gesture like that. However, if you don't have a real one, you can still make a capo. You won't be as easy to move it around and stuff like that. But all that you need is a straight, strong object, something like a pencil, for instance, or a marker, anything like this. That's going to be nice and strong and straight, and it's going to be able to withstand the pressure of some pressurization on it, and a couple of elastic bands to create that pressure. So what you're going to do is you're going to place the object in place over here between the frets where you would place your capo, let's say, okay? And you're going to take your elastic band, and I'm going to place it over the top like that, okay? From the top, I'm going to bring it around the back. So I'll show you the back side over here. Okay, I'm holding the pencil in place. I'm going to bring it around the back and underneath, okay? And then over here, I'm going to bring it on top of the front of the pencil like that. And you have the basis of your capo just like that, okay? Now, this probably won't be strong enough, right? Doesn't sound good. But with some added strength, I'm going to press down on it. There you go. Now we're in business, right? Okay, so you can get additional elastics, and I can place another elastic like this over the top at the front. We're going to go around the back over here, and then we're going to bring it over the front of the bottom of the pencil, okay? Almost there. A little bit of pressure. I'm going to put just a touch. There you go. And you can put more and more elastics, and it will take quite a few elastics to get the right pressure, because this spring on the actual capo is really strong, I do have to say, okay? But you can put as many elastics, wrap them as many times as you want, and we're almost there. You can hear it right now. Just the last one is, the last okay, actually, to be honest with you. It's okay, to be honest with you. We're almost there. But it's just the bottom one that's, right? It's just the bottom string that's giving me a little bit of trouble here. But I would just put more elastics, and it would strengthen it. And that's it. You can make your own capo just like that. It's so easy. It's amazing. It's easy peasy. Go run in the breezy, baby. That's it. You don't have a capo? No problem. I mean, I do recommend that you buy one if you're going to be serious about playing the guitar, because they are so easy to use. But if you want to play one song with a capo and you don't have it, hey, use this little makeshift homemade capo. You just call me the Caponator for now, okay? That's what we're going to call myself. The Caponator is in the house. It's that simple, and of course, rock on, baby. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. Wow, look at those pipes. Holy, maybe it's the light. I'm in my parents' basement. I came to visit them, and I figured I'd do a couple guitar videos. But wow, let's just see. Let's turn it on. I don't want to hurt. This is my dad's guitar. I don't want to damage it, right? Whoa, okay, anyways, the Caponator is over and out, okay? If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.